Hi, Louise. Thanks for sending us in your math problem. I've written out the data set up top here. Now, whenever you're given a set of data like this, you always want to write the numbers in chronological order. They're much easier to analyze when they're in chronological order. So I've done that. I put an arrow here, and here are all the numbers in chronological order. I've taken the n out of it because we don't know what n is. Okay, so in the question above here it says each of the following could be the value of n except. Okay, so we need to analyze the set of data and see what n could or can and cannot be. So what I've done here is I've put a 4 in the data set to see. Now we could put any number less than 5 and it would still be the same because the number would still be left of the 5s here. Okay, so if we put a 4 here, now in the problem here it says the only mode is 5, so that's still true, and the median is 6. Okay, so at this point though, the median is the middle number, so there are 4 numbers to the left here of this 5, and then 4 numbers to the right, so the median is actually 5 here. Okay, so that violates the problem setup here. So if we move on to this set of data, now for here I have included a 7. Oh, I'm sorry, I've included a 6. One of those 6s there. How about that one? Into our data here. Okay, now the problem with this here is that the mode is 5 and 6 because the mode is the number that appears the most. So there's 4 5s and 4 6s, so there's actually 2 modes in this set of data. Okay, so that tells us that n cannot equal to 6. Okay, so that looks like that might be our answer, choice A here. So let's keep going just to analyze a little bit further. What if we said n is a number greater than 6? Okay, so I have it as 7. Now if we had it as a 7, 8, 9, or 10, it wouldn't really matter because it would still be at the very last number in the data set. Okay, so now our mode is still 5, which satisfies the conditions above here. But the median now is now 6. Okay. So that tells us that 7 will actually work. Okay. So if 7 works, that means we can plug in 8, 9, or even 10. And any of those numbers would work in this data set and then give us the mode is still 5 and the median would still be 6. So here the mode is, since there's 4 5s, the mode is 5 and the median is 6, satisfying the conditions above. So thus the only number that n cannot be is 6. So that gives us A is our answer. Well, thanks, Louise, for sending us in your math question. Please feel free to send us more questions in the future. We'll talk to you soon.